Okay, so the first thing you want to do is measure out the right portion of rice. So if I can just get this cup in here and measure out approximately 1/3 of a cup is a portion for one person. So that goes in our pan. And I'm going to be making rice for two. So we need about 1/3 again, serves one. Okay, so approximately 1/3 into the pan, and that is rice for two. So the next step is a step that a lot of people miss, is to wash our rice. So give it a good swirl and get your fingers in, give it a good wash, and your water will start to go very cloudy. So as soon as that's done, empty it out, should not spill any rice, and we wash again. Okay, so we have our clean washed rice, and now because we've made rice for two, the ratio is 1:3. 1 part rice, 3 part water. So we had approximately 1 cup of water, and another cup. Okay, and there we go, ready to cook. Okay, lid on, and we want to start boiling at a medium heat, just to get it bubbling, and then we'll turn it down after that. Okay, once the rice is brought to the boil, what we want to do is pop the lid back on. If I just come back, we knock it down to low heat, and we just leave it to cook with the lid on. Okay, so while the rice is cooking, if it starts to bubble all the way to the top, all we have to do is just gently lift the lid, allow the bubbles to subside, and we place the lid back on. Okay, so the rice has been cooking for about 10 minutes now, and I think we're almost ready to knock the heat off. So the point at which you knock the heat off is when you see no bubbles coming through the rice and all the water has been absorbed, as you can see there. So what we do now is we turn the heat completely off. Now this is the most important step. We leave the rice with the lid on, very important not to remove it. Lid on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that's because you want the steam that's trapped inside to finish cooking the rice. So 15 to 20 minutes, just leave it, lid on, and the steam will do the work. So our rice has had 30 minutes to cook. Let's take a look. There we are. Gorgeous, white, perfectly cooked Basmati rice. Enjoy.